Alright guys, Bass and Bill 96 here. Just stuck my first fish of the day, probably a solid 17 inches, pushing like 3 pounds, probably about a 2.5. Got him on the Max Tackle Chatterbait. Great chatterbaits, guys. You should check them out at maxtackle.com. So I'm going to get the release of this fish and get back to do some more. Bass and Bill 96 here. Just got my second one of the day, probably about a 3.5 pounds. Just stuck him on that Max Tackle Chatterbait, so I'm going to get the release and get back to some more fish. Guys, going for the release here. He actually is probably more, pushing 4 pounds. He's about a 19-inch bass. There he goes. Max Tackle Chatterbaits. Check him out at maxtackle.com.